Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm making coconut yam porridge. The ingredients you'll be needing are blended ginger, chopped yellow bell pepper, chopped green bell pepper, chopped onions, groundnut oil, coconut milk, seasoning, chopped carrot, chopped tomatoes, salt to taste, and the yam. First you add oil into your pot, then you add onions. Next, we're going to add our blended ginger. When you fry ginger, garlic, and onions, you perceive this aroma. Ginger, garlic, and onions are packed with health benefits, and that is why it is very important in our food. After the ginger and the onions have sizzled for about 1 minute, we'll now add the coconut milk. Then you will add water into your pot and mix everything in. Now we're going to add seasoning into your pot for taste, and you mix everything up. Give it a good stir. You can add crayfish if you want, you can add pepper if you want, but I wanted my coconut yam porridge to be white. Like when it's finished, it will be like white or maybe kind of yellowish because of the seasoning. So but if you want to add pepper, if you want to add crayfish, it's absolutely fine. So now we're going to let it cook. Add a little salt for taste, mix everything and let it cook till it's ready. My coconut yam porridge is almost ready. So now we're going to add the carrot, the tomatoes, the yellow and the green bell pepper. Because these veggies are very soft, they just need little heat to cook. So we are just going to add them on top, because if you add them like when we're adding the onions, they'll get overcooked, some get burnt, and we don't want that. And you can see I added some liver and onions. I kept some onions so that it will still have this fresh look. So you give everything a good stir. It's already looking so good, and then you're going to mash some yam in the yam porridge. You're going to mash some yam. And that's how you make your coconut yam porridge.